Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily track time with Monday.com. It's really simple and really easy, and I believe after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. So there are actually two ways how you can do it. The first way is through Monday.com, and the second way if you're gonna use like extended application. So first thing first, I'm going to simply be in main table for your board that you have here. I'm going to click plus here, add a column, and you would find it in essentials. But what you can do is go to more columns and write search and do time. And then you see right here, board, power up, time tracking. So these are the two ways how we can find it. Click add to board. And look what I can do. So let's say this is the item that we have here. And I can easily come and write this is going to be a YouTube video. I can click here and start time tracking directly in my task. So see currently active session, and I can simply add session manually, or I can see while I'm working on the task. So I can add a session manually. So let's say in Tuesday, I was working from 2:31 to 3:31 at a session. And see, it directly added 1 hour to my task, but also because I didn't stop it, it's still continuing to count it. So right now what I can do, I can simply clear it all, or again add a session. Start it again, add a session, 1 hour, and how to stop it, all you have to do is just click here, pause. And then voila, you see how much time you actually spent for your task. And you get multiple columns here that you can of course use, but this is like the basic on how we can use the time tracking. It's nothing really that much difficult. Or what you can do also is when you would like click plus here and apps, and possibly I think you will find it here. And I'm trying to find how the application was called. Yeah, I'm going to find it for you guys. So you can find by every hour. That's like application that you can use for every hour and integrate it with apps. Yeah, I can find it here, but if you're going to use every hour, you would be able to find it right here and then connect it with it, and then use Monday.com with integration with every hour. And how would it work is that you would have it in Monday.com, combine it with here. If you want me to like create a tutorial on how you can do it and how you can use the every hour, I can create a tutorial for you. But you need to use like two applications. This is really simple way. But the thing is, guys, if you're gonna have like, let's say on one task, you're gonna have multiple people working. The time tracking is a little bit tricky then. You would have like multiple columns here, and you would have like time tracking Marcus. Because I don't know how would it work if you're gonna have work with team. Because like I can use it, right? But let's say someone else is going to use it too. That I'm going to invite someone. Like then what? Then what? Then how would it work? Who knows? But test it out. Let me down below in comments how you manage it when you have multiple people working on a same task, same item. They'll be really curious how to do it. Now, if you have got also any other tips on how we can use Monday.com, I'll be really happy. So what you can do is just add a column, Then you add the time tracking right here, or you find it through more columns. Again, you start time tracking. You can simply pause it, you can click on it, and you can add a session manually. So if it's going to be, let's say, from Tuesday, add a session, and then what you can do, you can easily export it to Excel. And in Excel, you would find like everything here, how much it was, how much time you actually spent on the item. So this was pretty much it. Let me down below in the comments also, guys, like what kind of tutorial you want me to make, and I'll be really happy to do that too, on how you can do the time tracking and how you can track time with Monday.com, because this is pretty easy. What you can do is you can also see the customized time tracking column. You can have disable show seconds, then so it's like a little bit shorter. You can add a description to the time tracking. You can restrict the column edit, hide, or you can collapse it if you want to. Then you can duplicate it. You can add column to the right. You can change the column type, export it, or just simply delete it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you are going to have a great day. And this is how you can add the time tracking. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.